Hello everyone. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to answer one of the most asked question with me, which is how do I go ahead and trade in cryptocurrencies? Now, a lot of you do not understand what exactly cryptocurrencies is, and then if you do not understand and you get into cryptocurrencies, there's a huge chance that you will get into losses or you will dry out your capital. And until and unless you do not understand what exactly cryptocurrencies are, yeah, you can go ahead and you can invest. That is completely your choice. But I'm going to tell you today two tricks in through which, even if you do not know what exactly is cryptocurrency, how you can still in India go ahead and make money. Yes, you heard it right. Exactly how you can earn money from cryptocurrencies risk free by, you can say, exploiting some of the inefficiencies that are there in this crypto industry right now. So let's move ahead and let's find out how. So the first thing that we are going to see is, first of all, what we'll have to do for this is we have to go ahead and we will have to create an account on, let's say, one of all of these exchanges which are there in India. So if you want to know what exactly are the best exchanges or which exchanges do I refer, so basically I go ahead and I refer, let's say, uh, three exchanges which are there: ZebPay, wazirx, and coindcx. So what happens in this is, basically in these three exchanges you have to create your account, you have to complete your KYC. Nothing here which I'm telling you is something where I want to tell you or I want to engage you in something which is not legal, or where, first of all, without KYC you will not be able to take any trades. So something where I do not even need to worry. So you have to go ahead and you have to complete your KYC. And once you do it, what you have to do is the first trick which is there. This trick comes ahead because of the inconsistencies of the crypto market. Now what happens in these crypto markets or these exchanges that are there in India, there is something called an arbitrage gain. Now what exactly is an arbitrage gain? Let's understand it in very simple English. So what happens is, let's say when you are trading in NSE and BSE and some same stock which is listed in NSE or BSE, when you will buy that stock in NSE and you will want to sell it off at in BSE, there'll be a very small margin and almost negligible because of the efficiencies of the market that are there. But what happens in crypto market is, since these markets are still not that much efficient, you will see a lot of differences in the purchase prices even in India at one same point of time. Do not believe me? I will show you live here. So basically, let's see right now, if you want to see here, you can see that the price of BTC, one BTC right now is 27 lakh 26,530. And this is the live chart that is going on. So 27 lakh 26,000. If I go to some other exchange, like here, it is 27 lakh 34,000 right now. And let's say I go to the third exchange where it is 27 lakh 46,531. Now this difference right now is a little bit minimal, but these differences go up to 60, 70, 80,000 rupees per day. So what you can do here is, basically, let's assume you find a very good rate here. You have to keep on seeing these rates. You have to keep on finding these rates. What will happen is, you go ahead, you buy a crypto from let's say ZebPay. Once you buy it, so let's say you have bought it at 27 lakh 34,000, correct? And you have to understand, once when you're doing it, at least there should be a margin of 30 or 40,000 rupees. Otherwise what will happen, your transfer cost and all these charges that are there, they will eat up like 5 6,000 rupees on one BTC that is there. So do not engage until and unless there is like 30 40 or 50,000 rupees difference in these prices, and this occurs on a particular day at least 5 to 6 times. So you just have to grab the opportunity. So let's say here, like you're saying that the price is 27 lakh 30,000 right now. So let's say you purchase it here, and let's say at that point of time, in, let's say, coindcx, what happens is the rate is 27 lakh 45,000. So still right now there is like 45 and 30, there is 15,000 difference. So I would not engage right now. What I will do is I will still look out for more opportunities when this price is different or when this price is high. So what I can do is I can still go ahead and I can still get this gain. So always try to find out at least 30 or 40,000 difference. So what you can do is, let's say when you bought it on ZebPay, after you buy it, you can send this BTC into the different exchange, and from in that exchange you can sell it off. So let's say you bought it at 27 lakh 30,000, and on some different exchange the sell rate is 27 lakh 80,000. So what you do is you buy it from this exchange, send it to different exchange, and from that exchange you encash it. That's exactly like free money. You do not have to engage in any risks, because these price fluctuations will be there the whole day. At least 4 or 5 chances you will get, and if you're getting all those chances, then you can go ahead and make profits. But remember, at least 40 to 50,000 difference should always be there, so that you do not go ahead and you do not get sunk up in the costs that are involved in transactions. So wait for those opportunities. So right now when I'm making this video, this opportunity is not there, so I would not go ahead and I would not engage this. So that is the first trick. Now I can understand that this is a very big amount, 27 lakh rupees, and not everyone is going to have that much amount in their trading accounts. So you can engage in smaller denominations as well, because Bitcoin can be purchased at in smaller amounts as well. So you have to see your risk appetite, you have to see your capital. That is the first thing. The second thing, what you can do is, let's say, and this again is something which is always present in all these three exchanges, so you can interchangeably use all these things, which is USDT. So what happens at USDT is, because this is pegged, this is soft peg to US dollars, what happens is there is always a fluctuation of at least 1 to 2% per day in these rates. So let's say what you do is you go ahead, you buy it off at something between 73 or 72 point something, and these rates they go high, and you sell it off at 74 75 rupees. So there is always a 1 or a 2 rupee gain in every USDT. So as per your whole amount that you want, here you do not have to send it to different exchanges. Yeah, you do not have to open different accounts. You have to go ahead and you have to see that all these trades or all these things are present there. Now since right now what is happening is, the Indian market is undergoing, and the Indian regulation markets is undergoing some changes, or there are a lot of bills and discussions that are going on. You will see a lot of opportunities in USDT, and you would not believe what happened recently. So in recently last week, what happened was, basically the price of USDT fell to 60 rupees on ZebPay. If you would have bought it at 60 rupees on ZebPay, that was a clear profit. And as soon as after 1 day or 24 hours or 48 hours, what happened was this rate was back to normal. Why it went to 60? Because of the huge selling pressure that, or the FOMO that was created in India, that cryptocurrency is going to be banned. I'm going to make another video on that once I have a little bit more knowledge about this. There have been some discussions in Rajya Sabha, there have been some discussions in the parliament as well, and but I want to come out with a video when I am 100% sure. So we will come out on that. And until that, this is the second strategy. What you can do, you can go ahead, you can buy USDT. Like right now only, if you see these fluctuations are happening, and let's see what is the rate here. So what you can do is, basically here, I think if USDT comes in, then I'll tell you, otherwise nothing like that. So apart from that, what you can do in all these three exchanges, so this is going to be there in all the three exchanges. I can show you the chart right now. Let's see. If you want to see the chart here, I can show you the chart, but I think and that is not even necessary. But let me show you that. Give me a second. Yeah. So here you can see, like on this chart itself, uh, here we are on the day chart itself. Here you can see it, and the prices are fluctuating. This is a 1 hour chart that is there. Let's see some smaller charts here, 30-minute chart. So here you can see that 60 rupee dip that was there. So it was there in every exchange. So what you can do is, let me show you something here, where what I will do is I'll show you the 30-minute chart. And yeah, so this is the 15-minute chart here. But what you can see here is, basically there is a huge fluctuation that goes on, which is like 74 rupees is the high here. And the low, if you want to see in the 15-minute chart, is somewhere between 72 rupees, 72 rupees 50 paisa, something like that. So that is a 2 or a 3 rupee change, which is exactly like, uh, you can go ahead and you can get this free, you can say risk free investment here. So you'll have to wait for the dip. When there is a dip, This generally goes up to 72, 71. And if because of this Indian regulations and laws that are there, because of this, if something like that happens again, you will again get a very good opportunity here, and there is around a 20% gain without literally any fear that is going to be there. So that you can go ahead and you can earn money even if you do not know what exactly cryptocurrencies are. So this is the way where I wanted to tell you how exactly you can earn risk-free money from cryptocurrencies in India. So that was it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about airdrops. Now, what exactly is airdrops is something I'm going to tell you a little bit about. But by till then, if you haven't subscribed my channel and if you're liking the content, go ahead and subscribe it, because if there will be a next opportunity here, like a 60 rupee opportunity, I'm going to upload the video as soon as possible. So there also you can join the Telegram link there also. I'll try and post it out so that you get maximum gains on these kinds of trade. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends as well. So coming back to what exactly is airdrops is basically one of the marketing techniques whereby if you do not want to invest any money but you still want to get something free of cost, no money, no investment, but you still want to get some returns, which is like $20, $30, $40, $50. You have to do very small tasks, which is like tweeting, joining a Telegram group, or something like that. And apart from that, it is absolutely free. So that will be my next video. So stay tuned for it and get maximum benefits out of it. So that is it for today's video. Go ahead and share it with your friends if you liked it. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.